Claude code just got exposed. Its full source code leaked out back in March, and because of that, there are now free versions of it sitting right there on GitHub. Same tool, same feel, zero cost. But here's what nobody's telling you. A free coding tool with no brain behind it is useless. So today, I'm going to show you how to plug in a free brain too, so you can run this thing all day, every day, without ever getting stopped. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, let's get into how this actually works. Free Claude Code is the tool, but a coding tool on its own is just an empty shell. It needs a brain behind it to actually think and build. That's where something called OmniRoute comes in. Here's the simple way to think about it. OmniRoute is one door. Behind that door sit hundreds of AI models. The latest version connects to over 268 different providers, and more than 50 of them are completely free. So you open one door and you get access to all of them at once. You take free Claude code, you point it at OmniRoutes, and now your free tool has a free brain behind it. Now here's the part that actually matters. If you've ever used a free AI tool before, you know the pain. You're right in the middle of building something good, and then it just stops. You're out, rate limited, the free tokens ran out, and now you're stuck staring at a blank screen. OmniRoute fixes that in a really clever way. The second one model runs out, it quietly jumps to the next one. You don't touch anything. You don't even notice it happening. Your work just keeps going. It's called auto fallback, and honestly, it's the reason you never get stuck mid-build. And the free tokens on offer are real. Some of these free models are handing out billions of tokens a month, not thousands, billions. And when one runs dry, another one is already sitting there waiting to take over. There's one more smart thing going on here. The system compresses your requests before they even go out using a couple of tools built specifically for this. That cuts down how much fuel you burn on every single request. Less fuel burn means you code longer for free. Simple as that. And it's not blindly cutting corners either. Your code stays exactly as it should be, your links stay intact. It only trims the extra fluff the AI doesn't actually need. So you're saving fuel without breaking anything you built. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now here's where it gets genuinely useful for a real business. Say you want a landing page built. You open the setup, you type one request, something like build a landing page that shows people how this saves them time and brings in more leads. You hit go, it starts building in the background, and you go do something else. No cost, no stopping, no watching a progress bar. And if you're thinking this sounds complicated to set up, it's really not. You don't set this up by hand. You literally open Claude Code and say, I want to use OmniRoute, connect it for me, and it does the setup work for you. You just talk to it, try this. No, not like that. Yes, like that. And it listens. Here's something most people don't realize. That same OmniRoute door works with a bunch of other free coding tools too. Codex, Cursor, Klein, Copilot, you name it. You pick whichever one you like the feel of, and they all run through the same setup. The tool on the outside changes, but the free brain behind it stays exactly the same. And this is where it really opens up. You can run more than one of these at the same time. Picture this. You've got one agent building your landing page, a second one writing your follow-up emails, and a third one cleaning up your customer list, all running at once, all in the background, all free. That's 4 workers instead of 1, all working while you focus on your actual business. Now, I want to be straight with you here because I'm not about the hype. These free models aren't always as strong as the top paid ones. Sometimes you'll get a rougher first draft, but you're getting that draft in seconds for free, and you can clean it up from there. For most business tasks, that's more than enough. And yeah, some of these free offers don't last forever. A provider gives away free tokens for a while, then it ends. That used to be a real problem. It isn't anymore because new free offers show up constantly. Every couple of weeks, another provider opens their doors. And since this connects to hundreds of them at once, you're never relying on just one. When one closes, three more are already open. Here's why I think this matters so much right now. A year ago, setting something like this up yourself was a real headache. You needed to know how to code, you needed to fiddle with settings for hours just to get it running. Now, you just ask the AI to set itself up for you. You point one tool at one door, and you've got a system that builds for you all day for free. And you don't need to be technical to use it. You really don't. The skill now isn't knowing how to code, it's knowing what you want built. The person who wins here isn't the best coder, it's the person who knows their own business best. If you know what your customers want, if you know what a good landing page looks like, if you know what a good follow-up email should say, you already have the hard part figured out. The AI just builds it. So let's run through what we covered. Claude Code's source got exposed, which means free versions of it are sitting right there on GitHub. OmniRoot gives that free tool a free brain, connecting it to hundreds of AI models. Auto-fallback means you never get stopped when one model runs dry. And you can run multiple agents at once, building different parts of your business at the same time, completely free. If I were you, here's exactly how I'd start. Grab a free version of Claude Code, plug in OmniRoot, and ask it to build one simple thing for your business. A landing page, an email, a lead form, just watch it work. Once you see it build something for free that would have cost you real time and money before, you're going to want to build 10 more. So don't sit on this one, go set it up today. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.